So you want to start live streaming, but your internet connection is really bad and it won't really sustain something like a live stream. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get around that by live streaming a pre-recorded video. Hey folks, AJ the CEO here. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, thanks for stopping by. And on this channel, we focus on tips, training, strategies, reviews, and builds to help modernize your media ministry. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I get this question a lot. AJ, we want to live stream, but where our church is, we have very bad internet and it doesn't keep up to the speed that's really required to have a good quality live stream type of experience. What is your suggestion? So what I've suggested, which I've done many a times myself for when I'm in areas to where I can't live stream games, is to just record it and then play it back through OBS or whatever software you decide to use as a pre-recorded live stream. It really doesn't hurt. Really, anybody's not going to notice it because you're still offering the same content. It's just not going to be live. And just realize it's about getting whatever message that you're trying to get out. And it's really simple to do. So let's go ahead and cut over to the computer and I'll show you just how simple it is to do. All right, so I am here on our live streaming system, and this is very, very simple. So we have our normal starting service soon. As you see here, we have our stream, and I'm here at the church, so the camera is on. So this would normally be capturing live, offering, be right back, and then ending. All we're going to do is add a new scene in here, and we'll just call this pre-recorded. And we're gonna, let's move it up here, and we're just gonna add a new media source. And we'll just say previous service, let's call it that. All right, now I'm gonna select this as a local file because this is saved on a computer somewhere. I can use hardware decoding if I want to. Show nothing when this ends, that's fine. And we don't want it to loop, but we do want it to restart anytime it goes back to that scene, because the idea is you're only going to hit that scene once. All right, so let me find a video here that's on our network here that I can use as an example of a previous service and services, and this one from January should work. All right, and that's really all it is. Now make sure you watch the volume with this because we don't want to blow anybody's eardrums out. But when you're doing this, as you can see, this is the full edited video that I did in a previously that I normally do on a post-production. So, but when you're doing something like this, you could play this video like I'm doing right now, or you can edit it to make it seem as if it was already done live. It is your choice. Now, just so that people aren't getting thrown off, you can come in here, add another source, and we'll just do a text, and we'll just put in here previously recorded. Like 1/12/2020 or something like that. You can put a static image, you can put recorded. Let's spell it right. Alright, so that way people are not surprised when they're like, wait a minute, how am I watching this and I was there? You know, so really straightforward. Now, there is no commands in here to rewind and stuff like that. Once you start, you just start where it goes and you just let it finish out. Now, if you really want to get fancy, you could always come in here and go to tools and do this automatic scene switcher, and you can time it and tell it to go here and there, and you can literally just set it up to where it goes from the streaming countdown to the pre-recorded to ending and time the whole thing out, which I'm not going to do in this video, but this is just to show you how, if based on things that are going on, you want to offer a live stream but you're really not there in church being able to do it, you can bring and upload a video of a previously recorded service, put it as a new scene, add it as a media source, put a text if you want to, or an image saying that it was previously recorded, and then that's it. And now when you go to start the service, you would do your regular countdown, and then you just go to pre-recorded scene or whatever you decide to call it, and it just plays just as if it was live. This can work if you're in areas to where you can't get a full internet connection, a stable one, and it can work from any way you decide to do it. So hopefully that helps you. And like I said, there's no excuse. There's always some form of technology that can help you get your message out and reach the entire world. You just gotta find a solution, and that's what we're here to help you with. So if you like this type of content, I would appreciate a like, consider subscribing, and hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. This is AJ. We will see you on the next video. Later.